In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Apple Health. So in order to connect those two together, you first need to head over to your App Store and search for MyFitnessPal and make sure to install it. Now, head over to your Apple Health and you should be able to have it as well once you search for it onto your App Store. I have in here this help article that can help us connecting those two. So you just need to initialize the connection. Go over to the settings on your MyFitnessPal, click on Settings, click on Sharing and Privacy, click on Health Kit Sharing, and click on Turn All Categories On. Make sure to allow it. Now from in there, just check the connection. Onto your settings, click on Health, click on Data Access and Devices, and choose in your MyFitnessPal, and make sure to turn all of those categories. Now in here, what you can do is it actually help connect your Apple Health data onto your MyFitnessPal from there as well in order to actually get it as a source from it. So that's how you connect MyFitnessPal to Apple Health. Hope we help.